Welcome to Mech Tech Bro. If you are passionate about technology, coding, and learning step by step, you are in the right place. This is part 8.0 of our JavaScript for Beginners series, where we continue building strong fundamentals with clear explanations and real examples. If you haven't watched the previous parts, don't worry. Pause this video and check out part 1 to 7 first. They will help you to understand today's topic much better. So get comfortable, open your code editor, and let's continue our JavaScript journey together. If you find this video helpful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro for more beginners friendly tech tutorials. Today's topic is about DOM. DOM is nothing but Document Object Model. Document Object Model is a programming interface that represents an HTML document as a tree of an objects, and it allows JavaScript to access, change, add or remove HTML elements and content dynamically. Okay? In simple words, DOM is the bridge between HTML and JavaScript. Okay, keep that in mind. Just note down the definition which I provided here. As you guys can see here, the DOM document object model is a programming interface for web pages. It represents the structure of an HTML document as a tree of objects where each element like headings, paragraphs, buttons, etc. becomes a node that JavaScript can access and modify. Just note down this definition. I hope you guys understand it. Let's move to the next slide. This slide is about why do we need DOM. DOM is nothing but document object model. Without DOM, HTML would be static, no changes after loading. Okay. With DOM, it changes text, styles, and images, and handles the button clicks and create interactive websites. For example, clicking a button changes the text and form validation, dark mode, and light mode. Okay, let's move to the next slide. This slide is about DOM versus HTML. DOM is nothing but document object model, and HTML is a hypertext markup language. As you guys can see here, HTML is a static markup language and DOM is a dynamic object model. And HTML written by a developer and DOM created by a browser. And HTML cannot change itself, and DOM can be changed using a JavaScript. Okay, keep that in mind. Now let's move to next slide. How browser converts HTML into DOM. Browser reads the HTML and it converts it into DOM tree, and each HTML element becomes a node. JavaScript interacts with these nodes. Okay. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly in Visual Studio Code step by step. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.